Have you ever walked into an examination, opened the test paper and saw this? What would you do? Close the paper, rest your head on the table, scream and run away? This is a question of how to complete a square of a quadratic equation. Watch closely as many students use this technique that I'm about to show you and always get this question correct. I guarantee that at the end of this video, you'll be able to complete the square of any quadratic equation. Firstly, write the equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Secondly, put the terms with the variables in brackets. Thirdly, we factorize out a. In this case, a is 3, so you factorize out 3. You will get 3, open brackets, x squared minus 4x. Fourthly, we add half the coefficient of x squared to the brackets. So in this case, the coefficient of x is negative 4. So half of negative 4 is negative. So we place negative 2 squared in the brackets. Now the brackets is a perfect square trinomial. So we write this as a square of a binomial. So you get 3 open brackets x minus 2 all squared plus 5. Sixthly, we subtract half the coefficient of x squared multiplied by a to c. So in this case, we will get 5 subtract 3 open brackets negative 2 squared. We work this out and we get negative 7. So now we have successfully completed a square of a quadratic equation. Yay! So let's do it in less than 60. It's in the correct form, so we put brackets for the terms with the variables. We factorize out a, in this case is 3. You get 3 open brackets x squared minus 4x plus 5. Now we add half the coefficient of x squared, so it will be negative 2 squared plus 5. Now we change it to a square binomial, so you will get x minus 2 squared plus 5. Now we subtract 3 by negative 2 squared. We work it out, simplify, so you get 3x minus 2 squared plus 5 subtract 3 by 4. So you get 3x minus 2 squared negative 7. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.